Okay, so on this example, we're going to go fourth exit for Brighton Hill. So again, we're always looking for these signs telling us which lane we need. Having that extra information of where fourth exit is, which on this one, Brighton Hill, is really helpful. We can see that it's the right-hand lane. So centre mirror, right signal. And then we're going to cancel the signal. I'm going to remember my tyres and tarmac gap with this van. So we can see as we go onto the roundabout that the middle lane is going to be for Brighton Hill. So we're going to see where the road markings take us. The lights go green. It's really sunny today. That sun's really low. That's probably why I'm squinting loads. There we go. Centre mirror, left mirror, right mirror for Bob and Tom. Onto the roundabout. So we've got a choice of all three lanes from here. So we're going in the middle one. I've paused it again. You're probably getting used to where we're going now, but let me just explain it quickly. From this lane, we can go to any of these three lanes because it's our lane that's turning into all three of them. We're going to go straight to that middle one because this sign tells us that we need to go there. Definitely don't watch this silver van in front of us. Their lane positioning is all over the place, so definitely don't watch what they're up to. So let's unpause it. Mirror, left mirror, little chin to shoulder check to make sure it's safe. We look across the roundabout, we need the second lane for Brighton Hill. So centre mirror, left mirror. I've paused it once more. Hopefully you're really understanding what's going on now, but let me just point it out on this one. So we need to be in the second lane because this sign is telling us the second lane is best for Brighton Hill. You can see from our position that we can go to lane 2 and lane 3 from where we are. It's our lane that's opening up into those two lanes. So as long as we keep these white lines on our left-hand side, we'll naturally come round into that second lane, ready for the Brighton Hill exit. Let's press play and let's watch the rest of it through. Remember, keep an eye on that silver van. See, he's already changing lanes again. He's obviously not sure where he's going and he's just changing lanes. It's people like them that we need to watch out for whilst we're looking at all these signs and road markings. Let's press play. Chin to shoulder check, coming around into this second lane and then remembering our tyres and tarmac with this car. That's good. As we pass this second exit, we're then going to be signalling left to come off the roundabout. The van up here did suddenly move into that middle lane, so he may be lost. He may want the same exit as us, so we're going to keep an eye on what happens there. No, he's gone round, that's fine. Keep it really left, because that's what the road markings are telling us to do. And we're done.